Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I am going to show you how I made this sparkly snowflake wreath. It can be used for Christmas or winter and it's very easy to make. For this wreath you're going to need some Shatterproof Christmas ornaments, a floral pick, some ribbon, and some snowflakes. And I picked up 3 boxes, so I used about 50 snowflakes total for this wreath. And you're going to need a wreath form, and I picked up mine at Dollar Tree and it's 14 inches. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue for this wreath. So first you're going to flip your wreath form over and you're going to take your ribbon and you're going to carefully hot glue your ribbon onto the wreath form. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards for this part. After the glue has had time to dry, then you're going to wrap your wreath form with your ribbon. Try not to overlap it very much, that way it will only take one roll to wrap this wreath ring. Make sure you're getting your ribbon nice and tight around the wreath form, and I usually cut my ribbon into strips because it's just easier for me to cut it into strips to add it to the wreath form. Next I am hot gluing on just a single layer of snowflakes all the way around my wreath. Now you'll need to hold your snowflakes in place just a little bit until the glue has time to set up. So this is how it looks with one single layer. Now you're going to go back and you're going to fill in. So what I did was I kind of added a snowflake to the inner circle or inner part of the wreath and then the outer part. So basically there's kind of like 3 across if you look at it. So I put one in the middle, one on the left, and one on the right. So just go around your entire wreath, adding your snowflakes and kind of space them out. I used a total of about 50 snowflakes. I had 60 total in the 3 boxes. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue and make sure you hold the snowflakes for a little while until the glue has time to dry. And then if you need to, cut some of the snowflakes in half. I had to cut a few of mine in half because I thought, well, it just needs a piece right here or a piece right there. Next I'm taking my pine cone pick and just cutting it into pieces and going to make a little mini swag. So put one piece on the left, one piece on the right, continue until you get the swag the size you want, then zip tie it together, and I added a few dots of hot glue around the zip tie to make sure nothing would slide. You will also need a sparkly Christmas ornament for the center. To attach my swag to the wreath, I just took some floral wire, threaded it through the snowflakes and the ribbon and the wreath form. Then once I got my wires through, I just went to the back, gave the wires a few twists, and trimmed off the extra part of the wires. Next, I hot glued on the sparkly Christmas ornament to the center of the little swag. Now make sure you hold it for a little while until the glue has time to dry. If you do not want to add a Christmas ornament, a bow would look pretty in the center too. Now I'm taking some Shatterproof Christmas ornaments and just placing them, just spacing them out and hot gluing them onto the wreath. To hang this wreath up, I just took a piece of floral wire, threaded it through the snowflakes and the ribbon and the wreath form, twisted the wires, made a loop, and that's how I hung it up on the wall. Now it did not show up very well on my wall, so that's why I put it on the black poster board so that you could see actually how pretty and sparkly this inexpensive Christmas or winter wreath really is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and share it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas!